Okay, so I'm literally parked at the police station. It's downtown where the parade is running through. I don't know. I'm here by myself because nobody wanted to come. And I'm blurry. That's just great. Oh, there we go. But yeah, no one wanted to come. They all said it was cold. And I'm blurry again. What the heck? I'm probably gonna just remain blurry. This is just great for me. It's just great. Can you see me now? I'm sure frickin' hoping so. No, but I ended up not getting a hot chocolate. I was gonna be late. I didn't eat anything since lunch. I'm very hungry. I'm very hangry. I am. I will totally admit that. I'm very hangry. I'm not in the holiday mood right now. We just put up our tree today, but I had to lug the thing upstairs by myself. I feel like a lot of people depend on me for certain things, and I get overwhelmed, and they just don't know. And I guess that's partly my fault, but I feel like I'm breaking down. I really do. I feel like I'm breaking down, and I just don't know what to do. I'm probably gonna get out of the car because the Parade of Lights is literally like right here. I know, they're all so loud, jeez.
Interstate. Merry Christmas, something.
Interstate. Oh.
It's in your picture. No, I'm recording this. I'm putting this in the first Vlogmas.
On top of the trunk.
The Grinch. No, it's not a Grinch. It's a hobo.
Oh yeah, on the train. Ricardo. Look, the caboose was cute.
I like that one.
Right?
Oh yeah, that is cool.
Martin Marietta. That's cool. I like that.
Frosty.
Oh, how cute! Really? Let's see how. No, they're huddled together too.
At least they're standing up.
Yeah, right. By tsunami.
Is this D Street?
Time to go behind the police station.
Is this D Street?
You know where the police station is?
It's almost over to like my location.
Ooh, that was a nice green. Oh my gosh. I didn't see no hydraulics, Uncle, so. Oh, good Lord. We are headed over to Taffy's right now, though. I'm gonna be very impatient because of people like just coming this way, just walking this way. So I will put you down for a second. So we are on our way over to Taffy's. Wait, that's not Taffy's. What the heck? There's Taffy's. It's this really cute like little candy store, and we're at a red light, so I'm good. Another one. Do I like Saber? Saber.
Chocolate scoop. Chocolate of some sort. Let's see, waffle. Are you getting ice cream?
No, why would you get ice cream?
That's what I was gonna say. I was just gonna say that one.
Okay guys, so I am back from going in there. Oh my gosh, it was a madhouse. Are you kidding me? But I secured the bag. I'll show you what we got, because we got all the goods. Just kidding, we got one. Turn the light on in here. Got a caramel apple. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I'm way too tired. I will see you guys tomorrow for the first official day of Vlogmas. So I'll see you then. Good morning. So today is the first day of Vlogmas. And they're all leaving me. Xavier's going back to school. Xavier's leaving me. Good, how's the baby? Bye, Xavier. I'm gonna miss you.
Bye.
Okay, so I have gotten changed. I'm currently wearing the Alicia Marie Vlogmas merch. I am so excited. You guys should know me by now. It is the very first day of Vlogmas. Of course, I'm going to be wearing Alicia's merch. I'm probably going to be wearing this like once or twice a week. I'm just going to be washing it and wearing it, honestly. All the days of Vlogmas because I just really like it. I think it's super cute. She's like, is the queen, basically. She's the queen of Vlogmas. And I just wanted to hop on here and show you guys what I'm currently doing. I am just editing a video. What video is this? Oh yeah, this is like what I did on Black Friday video. And I went to Sephora and I did swatches, and we were currently like, I think here at this point we were in the mall. We were at JCPenney. I'm watching Keeping Up with the Kardashians right now. It's a commercial. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on what I'm doing right now in this moment. I believe it's 11:33. There we go, it's 11:33. Vlogmas December day 1. I'm very excited about Vlogmas this year. As you saw in like at the beginning of this video, I kind of had a mini meltdown, I guess you could say, breakdown, meltdown, whatever you want to call it, and I just wasn't feeling that great last night. I had like a moment of just a breaking point, weakness, whatever you want to call it, but I feel so much better today. And yeah, I'm really eager just to finish this vlog. I literally am 5 minutes into like 20 minutes of like raw footage, so I have a ways to go. I have work at 3:30, so we better just get a move on. Okay guys, so I really need to put on makeup. Oh my gosh, feel like I look real bad. I have my hair up in just a bun right now. I literally just made the most basic simple sandwich. It's literally turkey on French bread with Colby Jack and mayo. I don't want anything else, but I love sweet potatoes. So I have these sweet potato chips with brown sugar and cinnamon, but I also love the jalapeno kettle chips. So I think I'm just gonna open these and have both. And I of course have like a little buble. It's blackberry. I love the peach and apple, but I think this is all we have for right now. So yeah, that's what I'm up to right now. A little bit more than halfway done with finishing the vlog that I'm gonna upload probably later tonight. I literally have 2 hours until I go to work. I still have to eat, put on my makeup, get ready for work, and go to JCPenney. So hopefully I manage to finish all of that before I go. So wish me luck, fingers crossed. Okay you guys, so I need to put the TV on mute or something. This is just ridiculous. I feel like I'm yelling at you. Okay, we put up the tree yesterday. I think it looks really cute. I like it. I literally lugged the box up from downstairs. I thought it was really heavy. And because Xavier hurt his foot and everything, it was just me. I was flying solo, you know, because my mom's older, and that's fine, and my dad wasn't here, so I was literally like using my legs to lug this huge box up the stairs with that tree in it. So I'm just happy that that's over. We're finally putting on our makeup. I have my bag here with all my stuff. I have a really nice moist sponge, and I still need to edit, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to push that back a little bit because I feel like I need to prioritize going to JCPenney before editing for today at least. So we're gonna just put on our makeup, head over to JCPenney, pick up the package, open it and everything, because those microphones are honestly a part of our Vlogmas plans. So yeah, let's just time lapse the getting ready. Okay guys, so obviously my makeup is all done. It is 2:20. If you can, yep, there we go. It is 2:20 right now. Isn't the tree so cute? Here, it's like twice the size of me. But yeah, I'm headed over to JCPenney right now. The makeup is all done. I'm wearing, what am I wearing on my lips? I think it's called Bling from Tarte, the Tarteist lip paints. I'm in love with this shade. I think it looks really good. I like it. But yeah, I'm headed over to JCPenney to pick up the solo microphones for the karaoke, and let's just get on over there. The sun is way too bright to my eyes. So we are at JCPenney. We are about to head in. I really hope I have enough time for everything that I plan to do. It's currently 2:34, and let's just go in and see if they have it. Favorite place in this whole mall is Sephora. That's where we got it. These are so cute. For some reason, I'm gravitating towards these. That's pretty green. I like it against the silver. People must think I'm crazy. I'm wearing that. Okay, so we have officially secured the bag with the goods in it. Oh my gosh. I swear, I feel like people think I'm crazy. Put you down right here for a second. Feel like that would be okay. I feel like people think I'm crazy because I am all alone. I have a camera. I'm talking to myself. Those are like only the first 2 points. And then also I'm wearing flip-flops. And it's 43 degrees outside. But I literally, this is the only place that I'm going today in regards to running errands. So I feel like I'm justified. This is straight up from last night. But honestly, it's so cold. There's still ice in here. Yeah, there's still ice in here from last night. Because I want to say last night it was like 21 degrees. So let's just go, wait, I want to show you guys what I got. Something fell off of the bag, like the shipment papers and everything in there, but it's okay. I'm just gonna pull out one. But anyway, it's like for karaoke. So it's a pop solo, just a sing it, bring it. It says, don't just sing it, bring it. And it has YouTube, it has YouTube in it. No, it has built-in Bluetooth. I wanted the black ones, but I got rose gold because those were the only ones they had left. And I was just, I really wanted that. I really wanted them. They were half off, so they were $10 each instead of $20 each. But I really have to go. Like, it is straight up like 2:53, so I really have to go. I literally have to be at work in a half hour, so I will see you guys back at home. Okay, so updates are in order. So we just got home from Penny's. And we got 2 of these. I already talked about it in the car. This is going to be what I'm going to probably be doing for 2 of the days of Vlogmas. It might be like a carpool karaoke kind of situation. It might be something else. But yeah, I'm probably going to pick up the camera after I come back home from work. And we are probably going to just be trying to finish up the editing this vlog that we're working on from, I think it was from Black Friday. Wow, I'm really behind. So I need to finish up on my Black Friday vlog and everything, and yeah, I will see you guys when I get off of work. Hey guys, so I've clearly changed out of my work clothes, and yes, I did go to work. I'm not punking you or anything. It is currently like almost 11:30. That is insane. What is happening with my phone? Yeah, so it's almost 11:30. I've been editing like a madwoman ever since I came home. And honestly, I've kind of been messing around with this too. But yeah, I am currently finishing up editing Vlogmas Day 1, what you are watching right now. It will be up tomorrow, sometime during the day. I want to say tomorrow afternoon. So yeah, I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 2. Remember, you are all strong, articulate, independent individuals, and happy Vlogmas.